All right, we're here at the 16th Nail Tournament of the Smokies with Darci, the owner of Be Smooth Hydration. Tell us what you're doing today. This is a demo.
So this is a paraffin alternative, which is all natural hydrating treatment. That's natural oils, no preservatives, no fillers, and this replaces the toxic petroleum-based products so that you can do a therapeutic hydrating treatment.
Wow. So I don't know much about the toxic things you're talking about with paraffin. Can you explain more?
So paraffin is a petroleum-based product,
Right.
and it leaves a waxy coat on the foot. It feels good for a little bit, but it's actually not giving any hydration to the skin for the longevity of it. Whereas beeswax adds the protective barrier for all of your oils to stay soaked in and to hydrate deeper.
Thank you. That is a wonderful explanation. It makes perfect sense. Awesome. I appreciate it. And here we go. We got the video going of it. All right, Darci. Thank you so much.